3, 2, 1. Liftoff of the Falcon 9.
SpaceX launched a new batch of 53 Starlink Internet satellites on Friday. A SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket lifted off from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida at around 1921 GMT to deliver the satellites to low Earth orbit about 9 minutes later. The Falcon 9's first stage came back to Earth for a vertical touchdown on the SpaceX drone ship, a short fall of gravitas in the Atlantic Ocean off the Florida coast. This mission marks the 9th launch and landing for the Falcon 9 first stage. According to a SpaceX mission description, SpaceX has launched over 3,000 spacecraft for its Starlink constellation so far. Space.com reported Friday's launch occurred just a few hours after one of SpaceX's robotic Dragon cargo capsules departed from the International Space Station. The Dragon is expected to return to Earth with an ocean splashdown on Saturday.